After personally struggling with the frustrating challenges in Dark Souls 3's boss encounters and dedicating countless hours to finding solutions, I've uncovered several reliable ways to overcome these obstacles, and I am eager to share them with you right now. This video will show you exactly how to fix Dark Souls 3 Spear of the Church PvP boss fight broken player issues. First, we tackle connectivity problems. Many times, the game's online features struggle because of a shaky internet connection or server problems. Making sure your network is strong and the game's servers are running well is key to smooth PvP. Next, we look at your game files. Sometimes important game parts get damaged or corrupted, causing strange behavior during fights. Checking these files and clearing out old data makes sure the game runs with all its pieces in the right place. Then we move to system updates. Old graphics drivers or an outdated operating system can stop the game from working its best. Keeping everything updated ensures your computer can handle the game's demands, especially in intense boss battles. Finally, fine-tuning your in-game settings is crucial. Incorrect settings or firewall blocks can prevent the game from communicating properly with other players or the server. Adjusting these helps the game run freely and interact as it should, preventing those frustrating broken player experiences.